Welcome to this video where I will be demonstrating how to do the purl row, which is the halfway point of the double folded cuff for the tennis sock. So you see here when we fold it down, it gives this really nice edge to it. And I will be demonstrating how to avoid a jog where the first purl stitch meets the last purl stitch. And the way we will be doing that is, here I have the beginning of my round. We will be simply knitting the first stitch. So a normal knit stitch here for the first stitch, and then you purl the rest of the round. So purl all the stitches in this round, and we will be doing a small altercation to the first stitch in round 2. So here I am, I've reached my starting point, beginning of my round. And now to make that small altercation, I have to purl through the stitch beneath. So we need to get a bit closer. So here I have the stitch and I need to go and purl in the stitch below here. There you go. And then you just continue knitting in pattern for the rest of the round. And here's the result. See, this is the beginning of the round. This is where we did the knit below.